Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. I am on my way to do a little bit of shopping. I just went to the Savers and now I'm going to hit a couple other stores. Let's go. Like I said, I went to Savers and I found some wrought iron sconces that I might be painting. It's going to be for an upcoming project, so I'll keep you tuned in for that. That'll be coming up soon. But I wanted to pick up just some really easy flowers that will go with something else. So I'm going to be heading to the Dollar Tree and quickly to Walmart. I don't know how quick I can be with all of that. All right, here I am at the Dollar Tree and I'm so glad to be here because let's face it, I need more gum. I love this candy section. They have the good stuff. And look what they got. My gum. Well, I just finished up at the Dollar Tree. I found some realistic flowers that I can't wait to show you and just a couple other things. But I always feel so good coming out of the Dollar Tree because I always feel like I save a lot of money. But now I'm going to Walmart, so that's where I'll probably spend a little bit more. But just to give you a glimpse, purple. I love it. Now I'm at Walmart. Let's see what I get. Oh, I'm just putting the card away. Do you guys put your cards away? I used to not always. When my kids were super little and I freaked out all the time. But now, I pretty much always do. I mean, what does that say as a parent about me? That I don't mind? No, I'm just kidding. I mean, who really wants 4 kids? I'm just teasing. I just think I feel more comfortable that they're a little bit older and I know that they can scream and throw down. If you've ever seen Ezra, he's good at it. So I'm just leaving Walmart. I pretty much just bought a few things, mostly for breakfast. I did find some flowers, so I'll show you all of that when I get home with my Dollar Tree haul. Just a little bit, it's not a lot. Plus I got a little treat for the family. So it's Monday night and we're gonna have a little fun. Right, so I brought ice cream, sodas, and a little bit of brownies. What do you think of that, Ezzy?
Awesome.
Awesome? I think it's awesome too. So what kind of soda you want?
Diet Coke.
You want Diet Coke float?
Mm-hmm.
What about you, Ezzy?
Orange.
I think I want a little bit of orange too. I think that's gonna be so good. What about Dad? What do you think, Paul?
I don't like ice cream.
We're trying to make our cups of soda, but Ezra is being quite the little helper and emptying out the dishwasher, so it's kind of delayed. So Paul's gonna dish up some of our sodas for us. Thanks. And by the way, he does love ice cream.
What? No, that's gross.
No, he loves ice cream.
They're like, no, Dad. What'd you say, Ezzy?
No, he loves ice cream.
If I loved ice cream, would I have this wicked 6-pack?
All right, here's Jonas's. He got a Diet Coke float. I just thought I'd get a little bit like a creamsicle, so mine's orange and vanilla. Looks pretty good. All right, here I go. Oh, that's good. That's a creamsicle for real. Yum. Paul got the creamsicle too. Ezzy, what about yours? You didn't want them together?
No.
Okay. It's good, huh?
I just don't like ice cream that much.
That's being a liar.
He's being a liar. Well, Ezra has this like
It is diet.
It is diet. 300-piece puzzle over there. Maybe we should help him put it together. We'll see.
Yeah.
And the reason I get diet is because when we're all done with these floats, I don't want stickies being spilled all over the counters.
Is that the only reason?
Yeah. Well, besides that, it's sugar-free and diet. So if I want to drink some later, it won't be a big deal. It's good, huh?
Mm-hmm.
There's also brownies up there.
There is.
Yeah. What kind did you get, Isaiah? Oh, that's the cherry 7-Up. That looks so good. You'll have to let me know. So I'm just going to show you what I got from the Dollar Tree, and I got a little bit from Walmart that will go with this theme, and you'll see it's kind of like a crafting creative haul. I have a couple of ideas that are coming up pretty quick and some ideas for some videos, and I'm so excited about them. But I just like getting some flowers because it's just spring. It's beautiful. I love seeing them in the stores. And Walmart and obviously Dollar Tree, they're just $1. So actually the ones at Walmart are like 96 cents. So even cheaper. So let me show you what I got. So I got these flowers. I got some hydrangeas from Walmart, and then some of this eucalyptus. I thought that was kind of nice. It's like 97. Oh, excuse me. I thought it was 96. And then some green foliage. So I like those. Those will be really nice with the tulips. I love how they're in a multicolor pack, or different colors. So spring-like. And then I had these in another when I made the wreaths, and I had just one flower left over. So I wanted to get another bunch because I put them in a basket, and I thought it was just a lonely flower, so I wanted to get some more. Now these ones I got from the Dollar Tree, and look at these pansies. These are super cute. I perfectly saw those when we were at the temple last week, and these colors even too. So it is this spring flower. So I am so happy I got those, and these are just some Gerber daisies that are perfect for the blend. So I mean, we're looking at maybe like $12 right here of flowers. And then I got these little containers. I have some ideas for them, but I wasn't sure how wide I needed it to be. So I'm going to use them for other things if I am not able to use them for what I have in mind. But these ones I use also for candy dishes. And for Isaiah's party, because he's going to Virginia, I'm going to fill up some containers with peanuts because it's a big thing out there in Virginia to have peanuts. I had got some different kinds of ribbon, burlap ribbons, and these make great bows because they have like a wire in them. I love the scent to this soft soap. Let me know in the comments if you have smelled this and let me know what you think. It's my favorite, I think, right now. Jonas broke his little carabiner on his water bottle, so I just got another one. Just got some super glue, and of course, I had to get some gum. Hold on, I have something else I wanted to show you. So while I was at Walmart, they are selling these little tank tops, super cheap, $1.80, $1.68. So cheap. So what I do is I buy a couple of them and I cut them right along as high up as I can do it. So I'll follow the back and then just get my fabric scissors and cut them. So then I have like this long band, and I use that to wear underneath my shirts. So that way, if it's kind of see-through, it will just be poking out. I'll put it underneath and it'll thicken it up, and it'll show a little bit at the bottom or a lot depending on what I'm wearing and what my mood is. So I got one in white and one in black, and it's just great to wear as a double up. But sometimes I don't like wearing a tank top underneath shirts, so this is a great alternative, and like $1.68. I mean, come on, that is way cheap. So I just get those every season or so because white tends to get a little dingy. And so now I have fresh white ones to wear underneath my shirts. So a little tip. I hope you've enjoyed just following me around today, seeing what our family is doing, the little treats that we have as a family. We're so grateful to have you visiting my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you are looking forward to spring and warmer weather. I've got tank tops, I have flowers, and I have spring crafts on my mind. So I'm so glad that you're here, and I am going to be doing a live. I wanted to let everybody know on Saturday, 2 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. I know I missed last week, but this week I'll be doing it, and I can't wait to get to talk to everybody. So if you're around, come and check it out. And stick around, you just never know what I'll be rolling out next.